Alright, you can see here it is a worldwide opportunity and people are making some serious money here. 144,081. Look at this, $1,938.58. All you have to do is just go to www. What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can get paid $2 or a lot more every 10 seconds. We're talking about free PayPal money. This is worldwide. I'm going to show you the members area and everything you need to know about this. I'm also going to pick a winner from the previous giveaway and I'm going to have a new giveaway announcement in this video. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you're new around, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, and a lot more. Alright guys, so as I said, I'm gonna show you here how you can get paid $2 or a lot more every 10 seconds. This is free PayPal money, this is worldwide, but first a disclaimer, results are not typical, use this information at your own risk, but if you skip out any part of this video, you might not get any results at all. So make sure you follow along and watch the whole video here so you can make the most money possible with this opportunity here I'm going to share with you in today's video. Alright, before we proceed here, we're going to have a look at the winner from the previous giveaway, so let's do that right now. Okay guys, so last video I had here was about 5 easy ways to make money on Fiverr. If you haven't watched it, I do recommend. It is a good content shared inside this video here. And I had an announcement here that I was going to pick a winner. The winner is going to get access to daily list profits here. This is my own course on how to get $100 plus per day. So basically I'm going to go to a random picker here and insert the link, and let's go ahead and get the YouTube comments and start to see who is going to be the winner for today. Alright, Mihai Stroini. Congratulations my friend. All you have to do is contact me with your name and email address to get access to daily list profits so you can get started to make your own $100 plus per day. Now regarding today's giveaway here, it is really super easy and simple. First you need to watch the whole video here, like, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done it already, make sure you share this video with someone, and finally you need to leave a comment. This is important, otherwise I can't pick you as a winner of course. There you have it for today's giveaway. Now let's proceed here. If you haven't subscribed to my other YouTube channel, which is my IM Tips, I highly recommend you to do that. It is related to internet marketing, make money online and a lot more. And make sure you check out my #1 recommendation right here below to make a full-time passive income and build a real long-term sustainable online business. But for now, let's get started to have a look at how we can get paid $2 or a lot more every 10 seconds in free PayPal money. Let's go! Alright guys, so basically you can see here it says that you're going to get paid every 10 seconds. You get paid for browsing our advertisers' websites. At Bucks Inside you can cash out instantly and at only $2. This is super cool. Now if you have a look here as a member, you can earn simply by viewing the advertisements we display, effortless income, and there is also a pricing with 10 cents guaranteed, $2 minimum payout, multi-currency support. There is an option as advertiser as well, so you can see here a lot of options. Now PayPal is definitely preferred, I would say, but if you don't want to, you can see here that you have everything from Payza, AdCash, there is Perfect Money, and so on there. Alright, what I'm gonna do here is I'm going to register to show you actually how really easy it is to make money with this website here. So let's proceed here, and what you need to do is pick a username, and I'm going to blur out for security reasons of course, but you can see here you need to fill in the login, the payment email, the confirm email, referred by. If you are not referred, it is not required, the currency, and of course the payment method. We want to have PayPal there, and the birth year. Alright, and as soon as we finished and register everything here, you can see that this is how it looks inside the members area. And this is really super easy, because all you have to do is just go to view ads here. Okay, so all you have to do is just click on the view fix advertisements. And now we just need to stay around here for a while. And I think that there you go. Alright, there you see how easy this was. You just have to click on it and you are going to really easy get money into your account there. And this is all you have to do basically. Now here is a trick. What you can do is you can click on all of these actually, and depending on how many there is available here, and you can open them actually in new tabs, so you can let them be there so you can earn more money. Here's something else that we can have a look at, and that is you can go to the pricing page. I'm going to open it up for you here in a new tab, and you can see here that you can actually earn up to $4,896.49 on this site here on pricing, because they do have some cash prizes here as well. And look at these, people are earning money here also. So have a look at the details for yourself. I'm not going to go into detail here, but look at this. You can have a look at the more section. Here is the memberships, deposit, the withdrawal, transfer market, surveys, offers, so you can take surveys as well. And basically this is something that we are going to have a look at as well. So you can see here that you can use your referral link after you have reached 100 fixed clicks. That until then you are free to purchase referrals, as it says here. So if I go back here, you can see that you have the option to upgrade your account if you want to, because look at this, best for beginners who wants to get a taste of what it means to start walking on the path of success. You can upgrade for a small amount like $3.89 here. And you can see the amount is for 10 days. If you want, you can go for 30 days. There is also the expert upgrade. It costs obviously more. $109 if you want to go for a VIP upgrade. This means all, of course, that you are going to get more money, and you can also get rented referrals here, 30 days rented referrals and so on there. Basically, I'm not going to bore you here with all the details. Here are the direct referrals if you want to go to purchase those. And you can of course also advertise if you prefer to do that. But I suggest you to get started with actually the view ad section and have a look at all the details for yourself here. Now, as I said earlier here, the cool thing is that you can cash out at only $2 here. So I'm going to explain to you real soon here on how you can get the most actually to make even more money with this site here. But first, you can see here that there is a forum section available here. So if I open it up in a new tab, so it is a pretty good activity in here also. Look at this, for example, payment proof, for example. You can see here that real people are making money on this site. So this is super cool. And let's go back here to my account. You can see here, this is how it looks. Okay, this was the first ad that I clicked on. Now, how do you actually get started to make more money on this website? Well, it is when you can get started to refer people here. So basically all you have to do is just go to grab your referral link as soon as you have reached those 100 points. And the next thing you need to do is go to Facebook here. What you need to do is go to Make Money Online groups. You can see here I have sorted out, and look at this. These are people with 95,000 members here, for example. Here is another group, 219,000 members here, earn extra income online. And you can see here people do post every single day about different opportunities. So what you need to do is just come up with something really cool. I just came up with this right before I started to record this video here, and it could be something like this. I discovered a new website and started to earn $2 every 10 seconds for just browsing websites. Want to find out more, just type browsing in the comment section, and of course you can make a cool picture or something like that also. And people are going to look at this, for example, this is a perfect example. People are going to actually type here below, browsing, 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 and you are going to contact them. And this is really easy why we are doing it, because there is better activity and you are not going to risk your account on get banned here on Facebook as well by simply posting the link there. So basically it's going to be more activity, people are going to be engaged, and they are actually going to have a look at it and of course get started totally free to make money by simply browsing websites and view ads there. So there you have it about Bucks Inside. There is definitely much more to cover in here, but I think, in my opinion, get started with it to see if this is something for you to make money with. Now the problem here is that you are not going to get rich probably with this website here. So if you are interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a real long-term sustainable online business, I highly recommend you to have a closer look at my #1 recommendation right here below this video. If you got some value here, make sure to smash that like button below. Make sure you subscribe to both my YouTube channels that you're going to see at the end screen here. Hit that notification bell and check out my other Make Money Online video recommendation that you're going to see at the end screen here also. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.